In this video, I'll be showing you how to paint the Heroquest Torture Rack dungeon terrain. A while back, I primed this with brown spray paint, but any color of primer should work for this. To hold on to the piece while painting, I'm using a stick from a Rocket's Double Lolly. I first put down the base coat of Mornfang Brown, both because it's close to the primer color and because it works really well for wood. I put this on the handles too. Now, with a small brush, I laid Talarn sand onto the ropes of the shackles. It is difficult to get the size of the rope painted, but just take your time and it should be fine. Next, Leadbelcher gave color to the shackles. This includes the stationary foot ones and the adjustable ones that hold the arms in place. The other thing I painted with this color were these protruding pieces of plastic, because they look like iron bandings. Once that dried, I dry brushed Rackarth flesh over all the wood to give it more depth and make it look like old wood. Moving on to the skull, this was also stuck on a stick with masking tape and primed. Then it was painted with Ushabti bone and held in place by a Citadel assembly handle. Now it's time for my favorite part, adding the shade. I used Agrax Earth Shade to make this look dirty, starting with the wooden handles and the table portion, then the skull. That is, until this happened. After the shade dried and I cleaned up the spilled shade, I started to put the pieces all together. To add blood effects, I used Corn Red. I first put this on the skull to hide where the shade dried weirdly. Then I made random patches on the table surface and on the shackles. I moved on to the cardboard pieces next. It's in pretty good condition, but one corner started peeling. To fix this, I used PVA glue and a bit of pressure. I put more glue on the bottom so it holds together better and doesn't separate in the future. The corner folds reveal the cardboard color, so I painted those gaps with Tuskgore Fur and Ulthuan Grey. I started with the wooden color and put it in the corner to match the printed design. I then did the same with the metal color. For the joint, make sure to do the edge of the long side of the rectangle and not on that short side. After that was finished, I gently clicked the plastic onto the cardboard. And here is the finished rack. I love how this turned out, and with the skeleton near it, it certainly looks spooky. The detail on this is perfect for a beat-up table made of old wood. It's the correct size for a hero to lay on, so that's cool too. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do give me a like and a sub, because that really helps me out, and I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye!